Hi everyone, my name is Alex Shelhaus, Senior Product Manager here at Cavallo, and today we're going to talk about how you can lock documents with our workflow engine. This is really important for any organization that's working to, really define a process. And as you're working through that process, there's a lot of things that constantly change with that document. And then eventually, you want to make sure things don't change as you're looking to finally fulfill that document. So this is a little bit about how to automate that process and how to do that manually. So let's dive into the tips and tricks. So the first thing that you're going to do is on Mission Control, then you can navigate to the Workflows page. From here, as you're in the order workflow, you'll be able to see your process defined here, and you can see a number of different steps. And I recognize that I want to make some changes. I want to go ahead and lock documents as they get to the priority picking phase, because as soon as they're there, I want to make sure that no documents change. I want to make sure that there's no more new line items. I don't want to make sure that the price doesn't change. I want to make sure that things aren't removed or deleted or modified in any way. And so in order to do that, there's really just a simple action that you need to set up. And so when you open up this queue, simply click, hey, should any automated actions be triggered? Mark that as yes, define the action, and then release the document. And now anytime a document gets into this priority picking queue, it's going to automatically release the document, which locks it and prevents anything from changing from it. And then from here, you can be certain that nothing's going to change. There's another way to do this right from the actual sales documents. So if we go back to Mission Control and find an order that we want to go ahead and lock, we can open up the order and view it and say, hey, I don't want anything else to change on this document. And so we can open up this little ellipses here, click the release order button, and then this is going to prevent the order from changing from here on out. So you can see that the document is now in a read-only status, and you get a little bit of a confirmation. No changes can be made to this document, and you can see that the line items are also locked. And that's a little bit about how you lock documents with Cavallo. If you have any questions or anything else that you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below.